Hi everyone. Welcome to my channel WordSprout. Today we'll take a peek into Daniel's diary. While out walking his dog Oliver, Daniel ran into someone he hadn't seen in years. What happened next? Let's find out together.
November 29th, 2024. Sunny and pleasant. Hi, diary. Today was one of those unexpected happy days. Funny enough, it all started with Oliver. This morning, he was unusually insistent about going out for a walk. He kept nudging me and barking until I finally gave in. So, off to the park we went. And that's when I ran into James, my old college friend. We hadn't seen each other in years. We were both surprised at first, but soon we were laughing and catching up like no time had passed. We decided to go grab lunch at a nearby cafe. Over some burgers and fries, we started talking about our college days. It was fun to remember all the late-night study sessions, the silly pranks, and the friends we haven't seen in so long. It made me realize just how fast time flies. After lunch, we took a walk around the city, talking about everything, from work and family to dreams we still want to chase. It felt good to reconnect and share stories with someone who knew me back when life was simpler. By the end of the day, I felt grateful. Friendships like these don't come around often, and it reminded me of how important it is to keep in touch with people who matter. I guess I owe it all to Oliver for dragging me out this morning. Good night, diary. I hope to see James again soon. Today was a good day.
How was your day? Did anything interesting happen? Share your diary entry in the comments below. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more updates. See you next time.